Hello everyone! As a major exporter of woodworking machinery, Taiwan will reach new heights with the help of our smart machinery and embrace the trends of environmental sustainability and energy-saving technology. Let's welcome Innovator Machinery.
Customers are now requiring their wood product comes with FSC certificate, which ensure that product come from responsibly managed forest. Back to the old time, people are using veneer thickness of 0.7 or 0.8 millimeters for their application. However, we are trying to develop new technology which can join 0.4 or even 0.3 millimeters of veneer raw materials. Also, with our smart veneer processing line, we are able to reduce the manpower from 8 operators to 3, at the same time increase the production capacity even double.
As a member of Taiwan's W team, how do you see the current market trends, and what advantages does Innovator have?
The market tendency shows that nowadays clients prefer to purchase their equipment from one supplier in order to receive a real-time service. Innovator is one of the very few manufacturers in the world that can offer integrated veneer processing production line. This has also helped us to increase our competitive advantage in the global market.
Thank you, Innovator. Wood is a material that has been used throughout the industrial age. We must move towards smarter, energy-saving processes. Taiwan, your intelligent partner.